Listen and practice English.
Hello, can you help me quickly?
Yes, what happened at home?
The washing machine stopped suddenly.
Did you switch it on again?
Yes, but it's still not working.
Is there water on floor there?
Yes, water is leaking everywhere.
Please turn machine off first.
Okay, I switched it off now.
Good. Do not touch wet wires.
I feel really worried right now.
Do not worry, we can fix it.
Clothes are still inside machine.
Did you try opening the door?
No, the door is completely stuck.
Maybe machine stopped during washing cycle.
I do not know what to do now.
Please stay calm a little longer.
Are you coming home soon now?
Yes, I am leaving office now.
Water is spreading near kitchen now.
Please use towels near machine.
Okay, I'm cleaning floor now.
I will reach home very soon.
Please come quickly, I'm scared.
Do not worry, I'm nearby.
Good afternoon. I would like to borrow a book today.
Good afternoon. Sure. Do you already have a library card?
Yes, I made one last month.
Great. What kind of book are you looking for?
I need a science book for my school project.
We have many science books on the second floor.
Can you recommend an easy one for beginners?
Of course. This book about planets is very popular with students.
That looks interesting. Can I borrow it for 2 weeks?
Yes, students can keep books for 14 days.
Perfect. Do I need to sign anything?
Just give me your library card, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Let me scan the book first.
Okay.
Done. The return date is written on this slip.
What happens if I return it late?
There is a small fine for each extra day.
I understand. I will return it on time.
Good. Would you also like a quiet place to study?
Yes, please. I need to finish my homework too.
The reading area near the windows is very quiet.
Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. Enjoy your book.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Max, please sit still. We are almost inside the hospital.
Your dog looks very nervous today.
He was not eating well since yesterday.
That sounds bad. Is he feeling better now?
I hope so. The doctor is checking him now.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Max is a very nice name. He looks friendly.
Yes, he loves meeting new people.
I also have a pet dog at home.
Really? What is your dog's name?
Her name is Bella.
That is a beautiful name.
Thank you. Bella sometimes gets sick too.
I always worry when Max is sick.
I understand. Pets are like family members.
Yes, that is true.
Do you come to this hospital often?
No, this is my first time here.
The doctors here are very kind and helpful.
That makes me feel better.
I am sure Max will be okay soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope your dog gets well soon.
Good afternoon. I need to send this package today.
Good afternoon. Sure, where are you sending it?
I am sending it to my cousin in another city.
Okay. Do you want regular shipping or express shipping?
Which one is faster?
Express shipping will arrive in 1 day, but it costs more.
I think regular shipping is fine.
No problem. Please place the package on the counter.
Here you go.
Thank you. Did you write the address clearly?
Yes, I checked it twice before coming here.
Great. Everything looks correct.
Do I need to buy stamps for the package?
No, the shipping price already includes the stamps.
That is good. How much is the total?
The total cost is $5.
Okay, I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your package should arrive in 3 days.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.